Okay, so that it's helpful for others. So if I hope everyone is okay with that. Okay, now I'll just give you a very brief introduction. Uh, okay, again, another question. How many of you have played around with Power BI? Vaishnavi, yes. Swati, yes. Tanuja, yes, of course, Tanuja. Tanuja is going to be helping us in this uh, in these classes. So if you have any questions, you can reach out to her as well. Um, and Aparna, yeah, okay. So only
Even
three,
I've
four
worked.
of you. Who is that?
So this goes to
Bharat,
here. So I've also worked
Yeah,
on
I
Power
do.
BI.
Apurva, Bharat. Okay, yeah. Okay, this one is mostly catered towards sort of beginner to intermediate kind of people. So we will start very fresh. We'll download and then we will do some labs. About 5 labs will be there over a course of at the moment. I'm thinking we can finish in 6 weeks. If we are going to take more time, I'll spend another couple of weeks also if need be. So it will be mostly Monday classes from 7:30 to 9 o'clock NZ time. How many of you are not from NZ? Just a raise of hands. Whoever has raised their hands. Okay, I think Hey Wei is this how we pronounce? Can you let me know how
Yeah,
we can? He
yes,
is it?
yes, 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 here, yeah, yes.
Huey, Huey. Okay,
I'm based in China.
China. Okay, yeah, yeah. Anyone else who is not based from New Zealand? Shaker, from where are you? Shaker and
Hello.
Bharat.
Yeah, I'm from India.
India. Oh, what about Bharat?
I'm from NZ. Yeah.
NZ. Okay, yeah, okay. You can lower your hands now. Okay, so let me start by just a little bit of uh, introduction about me. Those of you who don't know, um, my name is Indira, and I'm currently working as a data architect in a company called Data Engine. It's a startup company now grown into about 12 employees. And if you want to contact me, LinkedIn will be my most. I'll be mostly reachable on LinkedIn. And I have a master's degree in statistics and have over 20 years of experience in the data world. And I have a passion to teach kids. That's the reason I started this Kids Tech Charitable Trust, and I'm the director. And I thought there is a need for not just for kids but adults in general for learning Power BI. So I thought I'll just um, start the Power BI classes. So that's the main background of this one. Um, so agenda for this whole session is there are some labs prepared by I'll be using a Microsoft material for these labs, and I'll be sharing with you how to access those the data for that, as well as the lab 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 instructions. And I'll just very briefly do an introduction to Power BI. So that's the agenda. And what we are going to do is we are going to build at the end of these sessions, at the end of the 6 weeks, we will be building something similar to this kind of report. So that's what we will be doing. So this is just a screenshot. There is a play access button where it goes through dates, and then the data will be going through different years. I think dates or years it goes through, and this is the KPI that we are going to create, and this is a graph for revenue and percentage growth by year, revenue by country, and drill down or up by category and revenue, and we can learn how to create those color coding and things like that. So that's the end result of this class of these classes. So first thing is, what is Power BI? So can anyone answer what Power BI is? I think about 8 of you have mentioned that you have used Power BI in some shape or form. So if you can answer, that will be unmute and answer. That will be really good.
It's a visualization tool powered by Microsoft.
Yes.
Another, yeah,
Yeah.
better
It's
Anyone
version of it.
else?
it's mostly used for reporting purposes.
Mostly used for reporting purposes. Yeah.
It helps you to
Uh,
get insights in your data.
yeah. And what else?
Creating dashboards.
Yeah, creating dashboards. Yes. Uh, okay.
Data
So
analysis can be made.
yes, data
Creating
analysis.
data models.
Yes, data models also can be made. So main thing is,
BI tool.
yeah, um, yeah, it's a BI tool. BI, you can say that it's a BI tool. Just went somewhere. Okay. So now first thing is, um, I'm just mentioning a scenario where you have all data. If you go into an organization, there is lot of data, right? So for that data, usually each team will have their own data. So that is why it is called data silos. What what data silos is, for example, marketing team will have data in their own systems. HR team will have data in their own systems, and finance team will have their own data in their own systems, and the customer service team will have data in their own systems. So what Power BI does is, it breaks down these data silos, and then you can enrich your data with this intelligence. So it helps in bringing in data from multiple sources. And then if you need to transform the data, you can transform the data and also merge them and then create a data model to get insights. And uh, Power BI supports both on-premise and cloud data sources. Uh, Anyone understand what on-premise is or cloud data sources? Anyone can answer.
The data sitting on a cloud platform, for example, Azure or AWS,
Yeah,
that's
that is cloud data
on
source.
cloud. And on premises is, for example, an Oracle database, which is not on a cloud platform.
Yeah, or even SQL Server.
Yeah.
You can have on premise means the server will be in the office in a server room, and then you will have the database on that server. So
Yeah,
that is
physical
called,
storage.
yeah, that is called on premise. So it can be SQL Server, it can be Oracle, it can be Access database, it can be even Excel files. So all those are on premises databases. Okay. And what Power BI has is, Power BI has more than I think maybe 200 or 250 native data connectors, which you can use to connect to these resources. Sorry, to connect to these data sources. Okay. So, and also you can write your own custom connector as well for if there is no ready-made native data connectors, you can write your own custom connector for accessing your data source as well. Now coming to uh, okay, the Power BI is for everyone, and you can create rich interactive data experiences, and it has also AI infused insights as well. And and you can make decisions. So based on the reports that you create, people in your organization can make decisions, and you can create some trusted and secure BI reports as well, so that your decision makers can make decisions based on the trend that is happening and based on your insights from the report. So in a way, Power BI drives a data culture for everyone and every decision. So that's a very brief about Power BI. What? How many of you that know the architecture or components of Power BI? I don't have a slide for that, but I want to talk about it. How many of you know what uh, what are the components of Power BI? Vaishnavi, you can yeah, Kaustubh, you can tell me.
Yeah. So you by components you mean the suites of applications, right? Or
Yeah. So there is Power BI desktop. What else is
yeah,
there?
yeah. So we have Power BI service, which is a web application. Then we have Power BI report builder as well, where we build the
Yes.
paginated reports.
Yeah. And so service is there. Uh,
Desktop
yeah, desktop. Okay. Yeah,
and
desktop
report.
and Power BI report builder. Okay.
Yeah,
Those are
yeah.
the three where you can where you can create reports. Okay.
Correct. Right.
So what we predominantly will be using in this class is the Power BI desktop, which is free for everyone.
Mhm.
So that's the reason we choose this, so that we can, for authoring, the Power BI desktop is free, but when you want to share it with others, that's when it costs money.
Correct.
There is some licensing structure. So the licensing structure is, when you want to share with other people in your organization, it is if you want to go initially, if you just have 10 users or couple 2 users or 3 users, with whom you want to share, you have to buy a Power BI Pro license, what is called a Power BI Pro license, which costs $10 per month per user.
Mhm.
So even if you are sharing with you are the Power BI developer in the organization, and you want to share with, let's say, 5 of the managers, so it is not enough for only you as a developer having the Power BI Pro. Whoever is viewing this report in the Power BI service, they also need Power BI Pro license. So you all together you will need your 5 users plus the plus you. So 6 users will need Power BI Pro license. So this is just a minimum knowledge that if you have, that's enough. There are other forms of licensing which maybe we will discuss at a later point. Okay, so now let me proceed to the next slide. I don't know what I have. Okay, let's now download Power BI desktop. Whoever hasn't downloaded, I'm just going to give you the link for this one. How many of you did not download, had issues with the downloading?
Yeah, I have an issue. I did not download.
Okay, Shreyali. Okay. Let me also download because I have an older version. So let me also download. I'll stop sharing my PowerPoint and then I'll share my Chrome.
So you shared this link on the chat or something?
Yes, I did. Okay, now can you see my browser?
Yeah.
Okay, I copied the link. And is this what you can see, Prashant and Shreyali?
Yes.
Okay, now
Yes.
you can see English, right? And here it says you can see 2 files. Whoever has a x64 computer will download this file, and whoever does not have a x64 computer will download this file. Okay, so I'm going to download and I'm going to click on the x64 because I have an x64. Others who don't have will have the can download this one. I'm downloading and this has downloaded. Has it downloaded, Shreyali?
I have a
Is that
Mac
the same
book
for
actually.
Oh, if you have a MacBook, then okay. Then you don't download it.
Yeah.
You don't need to download. And Prashant, what about you? Did you download or do you also have Mac?
Yes, Mac and Chrome OS I have.
Okay, let's do this. For both Shreyali and Prashant, what you are going to do is
even for us, Indira?
sorry.
Even we have the Mac, so we did download. That's why I said it went to some
Okay.
kind of file.
Okay, so that's not a problem. So what you do is you go into app.powerbi.com. I'm
Okay,
just
and then we have to create
and
an
then
account.
you have to sign in with a not a personal email, but if you can sign in with your
Official.
official, yeah, of office email, work email. Meanwhile, I'll install because I want to have the latest. Prashant, any question?
Sorry, I've got a question.
Yeah.
So why is it through office email? I mean, why can't we do it through our personal? Is there a reason?
That's how Microsoft, that's how Microsoft is allowing at this stage.
Oh, right. Okay.
Yeah, but for if you use Power BI desktop, you don't need to sign in and things like that. You just need to install and then.
So only for Apple users.
Yeah, only for Apple users. Yeah.
If it doesn't have official email, so it will not access.
You will not be able to access. Yeah. Okay, everyone else, have they installed?
Yes.
Who have not installed, you let me know. Other than Mac users, because I'm installing, I can share the screen.
Sorry, this is an off-topic question. Do you teach Microsoft Excel as well?
I used to.
Because I'm looking at intermediate to advanced level Microsoft Excel.
Okay.
I'd be keen if you are teaching.
Let me think about it.
I'm willing to contribute if you are.
Okay, are you able to log in? Mac users? Okay, maybe let me log
Still
in.
trying from
Yes,
our end.
actually, I logged in already. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, we could log into.
Yeah, we could.
Okay. Okay, now whoever has, let me also log in because I need to cover both Mac and Windows users. So what's the login? Okay. Yes, now logged in. I don't want to answer this one. Okay. You may be seeing this because I have a lot of things. You might be seeing something called My Workspace, right?
Yes.
I'm asking Mac users.
We could see a dashboard, and on the
These
top
ones, right? Okay,
Mhm.
whatever you are seeing the very first screen. Okay,
Right.
maybe
Yeah.
you are seeing uh, even this because this is my work. This has fabric as well. So yeah, I lost my home screen, which appears usually. Okay, so okay now what is there in the? I'm just checking what is there in the. Okay, I just have a lab overview. I think I'll just share. I need to share with you things, so I need to upload into. Just going to stop sharing for a minute. It's interrupting me. I'll share.
I don't have an official email ID.
Prashant, you don't have. Okay. I might be able to sort something out for you by next week, Prashant. Maybe you can just see for now.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
Indra, same thing. Indra, sorry, same thing for me as well. I don't have an official
Oh,
email ID as of now.
Yeah,
okay.
same thing for me, Indira.
Oh my God.
Looking for jobs, so no official name.
Yeah, same
Mm.
for same for me also, Indira.
Oh, how many of you then? Okay, maybe we'll sort that out later then. Okay. Uh, no school emails or anything like that. Even school email will do. Kids school email.
It's been a long time since we left school.
Okay. Hold on. I am going to create. Mm, Just give me 1 minute. I'm going to share with you the data and then the instructions, and then we will start doing the share. Restricting anyone with link data. Okay, now
I think I have a link to download Power BI Desktop. So how can I share so that people can download Power BI Desktop?
they are everyone already downloaded. Now I'm sharing the labs,
Yeah, okay.
data and labs. Okay, so this is the link, and see whether you can download. There should be a data folder, and there are two files called lab 0 and lab 1. Still uploading, I think.
Anyone getting the chat messages? Because I'm having a trouble on that.
No,
Even me
I'm
too
also
also.
not getting. The chat bar is not visible.
Oh. Yeah, that's correct.
Who is
Yes.
all?
Yeah,
Okay,
we
so
cannot see the
chat
chat.
is not visible. Let me see.
The chat won't be visible if you're using the browser. It will be visible only for the app.
No, are you using browser?
No, I'm using app. Still,
Whoever
still no
is
chat.
not able to see, are you using
App? No, in app also it's not coming.
Yeah, I'm using app as well. It's not
Same
showing up.
here. Same here.
Okay, now okay, let me say you have who all Swati, can you see the chat?
No.
Okay.
No, the
I
chat
think I
is
know.
not visible to everyone.
Okay, I think I know what it is. I think the emails that I sent yesterday, I'm going to send send the link to all those people whom I have sent. Okay. Send items.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm composing. BI material. I'm not sure why you are not able to see it.
Maybe you can select on the
Anyway, I'm sending emails to whoever registered yesterday. Tu- 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 tu. Others are able to see?
See what?
See the chat messages.
I see, and I could download all the materials that you shared.
That's good.
via
That's good.
links.
Yes.
Yeah.
Only
Thank you.
you are able to see. Anyone else?
I can also
No.
see. I'm on a browser and I can see.
You can see. Okay. I think you all belong to the learning room that I'm using, but others who have
Um,
registered yesterday are not able to.
No, I'm not unable to see.
Yeah, okay, that's okay, no worries. I'm going to send you an email so that you can email. Okay, I have sent you all an email. You should be check your spam as well because some people received emails in their spam. Anyone who did not receive the email?
I
I
haven't
didn't get
received
the
it.
mail.
I also haven't. Yeah, not in the
Yes.
spam as well.
Yeah,
I
No,
same.
Yeah.
we haven't received.
Can
We
you give
haven't.
me your emails here?
What is there in the email, Indu?
The link to the drive, to the Google Drive where the data is, or else maybe I will just zip the data. I think that's an easier way. I'll just zip it. Wait, hold on, and then share it in the. Oh, you are not able to see the chat, so I can't even do that. Sorry.
There is one idea. You can type the link and share the screen. You can.
Okay, what I'll do is maybe what I will share it in here and then share the link for material, I will say. And just give me a minute, I'll just share it. Oh, these are all emails. Hold on, hold on. Right. Share the folder, right? Share. Copy link. Okay. Okay, what I'm doing is I'm going to share PowerPoint Live. That's what I want to share.
Hello.
Yeah.
I haven't received the email yet.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying. I think some people did not. Let me first.
అడగానే 2 సార్లు పిలిచి అడిగి
Can you presenter? Are you able to access the PowerPoint from you? Just if you are able to access, then you can just click on this. Otherwise, I have to share it.
No.
Share it again. Hold on. Present live, I think. Share PowerPoint live. Or is it not?
Did you check the settings in the Teams that you're using right now. And if you just go to don't show chat bubbles and click on it, probably it might enable.
Don't show chat bubbles. Oh, okay. Can you all see now?
No. No, sorry.
No.
No.
Can you all see the chat? This thing. Like.
Just try to enter something in it.
Maybe need to sign out and then sign in to see that
I
change.
think so. Yeah, that's what this is. You need
I'll
to
leave
log
the
out and log out by.
yeah, I'll leave
Just
the
one
meeting.
person. Yeah, one person do that and then.
I'll do that.
Yeah.
Induji.
Yeah. Okay. Meanwhile, can somebody help me? PowerPoint Live. Maybe. Okay. Wait. I think I need to present from Teams, maybe. Slideshow.
Unfortunately, no chat
Present
option
in
yet.
Teams. Okay. Yeah, this is what I think I need to do that. Load the file in PowerPoint Live. Yeah. Okay. Now I think you will be able to click on the link that I'm sharing on the Power BI. Can you see my shared screen?
No.
There was a
No.
problem.
No.
There was a problem in doing
Not yet.
that. Okay. Okay. Again, I'll try again.
I just received a mail.
You received a mail. Okay.
Yes, same here. I also received.
Yeah, we got the email now.
Okay.
I haven't received yet. Sorry.
Hindu, I also have not received it. So
Yeah, I also have not received it yet.
Yeah. You also check in spam because I sent to around 140 people. So it's taking time maybe. I didn't get any linked address not found. Harsha, address not found.
Yeah, I got the email. Thanks.
I think it's slowly coming up.
Yeah.
Everyone.
Yeah, I
I
think
got it.
it's slowly coming.
Yeah, we just got
Thank you. Yes.
Okay. And can you see my PowerPoint? Can't display. I don't know why I'm not able to display live content. Click current meeting. Click to present your current meeting. Okay.
Just got in the mail. Thank you.
got the email now, Hindu. Thank you.
Okay. That's good. Whoever did not receive, you maybe give me your emails again.
Received.
How can we give you? Where do you want to drop us?
Yeah. Whiteboard maybe. Share in
I think
whiteboard or
slowly we are
something. Oh my
reaching.
God.
Just now I received.
Okay.
It may be sending alphabetically. Which
Yeah, slowly
alphabets
coming
got
up. I
first?
received
Yeah.
it just
Yeah,
now.
slowly it's reaching.
I just got it now. Thanks, Indra.
Now, who all are left?
I didn't receive.
Who's Swati?
Yeah, if it is alphabetically, I will get last. Maybe.
I'm going to send you email to indupriya9@yahoo.com, my email ID. You can forward me that.
Yes, please. Yeah.
I received. Thank you.
I received
Admini.
S.
Okay, whoever didn't receive,
Ah,
send me an email.
Now it is R because I'm in the R alphabetical.
Oh, Swati, wait then.
Just received.
No, I don't think it's not definitely not alphabetical. In that case, I should have received it first.
No, we are just joking.
Based upon network issues and all, it's coming up. That's the only thing we can expect.
Tanuja, did you receive? You are T, right?
Yes, I received.
Okay, link to Power BI material. Whoever wants, let me know. I have the link ready. I can forward. Now Yahoo also takes time for me to get. I think this today it's just initial things. So once we get it, we can start. Whoever received can start with the lab 0 instructions. Yeah. Meanwhile, I'll open and share that at least. Hopefully I can share that from share lab 0.
Yes. Okay.
You can see the. So is any Mac user logged in or no one has the official email?
Yeah, we logged in.
Yes, I
Okay.
logged in.
Yeah, also got the file, so going through it.
Okay, yeah.
Just one quick question. I received the email, Google Drive email.
Okay.
When I try to open it, it says the web page is blocked. So I'm just wondering any other way which I can receive this.
Page is locked.
Yeah, it's not. I think the admin has blocked the page, I guess. I'm just wondering,
And
is there any other way?
others, and can you see chat?
No, I can't see the chat as well.
No, we can't able to see chart.
Yeah,
No.
I think
That's still
you
it's
should
not
all
open.
belong to the. I will send you.
Have you downloaded the PDFs?
It's
The
not.
the
It's
email
completely
from
blocked.
the email, what she has sent you the email, the Google Drive. If
Yeah.
you download, you can able to open it, that PDFs.
But when you click, it's just the moment you click.
Were you able to download?
Yes,
No.
I am able to download, and then I
Raj,
can.
were you able to download?
No, because when I click on the on that link that you share, it's straight away it's getting block file or I think admin I guess.
Oh,
So I'm
okay.
unable to open the link.
Anyone else is having that problem?
No.
Okay. Is your email Gmail?
Yes.
Okay. Maybe I'll send you this zip file which Hugh Wei sent. Raj, Raj, what is your email?
Yeah, to tell Gmail.
Naveen. Okay, Naveen, you sent. Naveen, did you receive the link?
Yes, yes, Indra.
Oh, okay. Okay.
I received Indira. I also received
And are you able to download? Only
Yes.
Raj is not able to download.
No.
I can.
Special. I'm sending you a PDF, Raj.
Yeah, sounds good. Thank you.
Large files can't be. Oof. Can you try again? I can't share. I can't add a zip. I think I'm going to send another email maybe tonight to log into the room, learning room that I'm using. Did Apurva join?
Yes, Intuji. I'm
So are you able to see the chat now?
chat. No.
That's the reason you logged out, right? Okay.
Yeah, no.
Okay. I think you all are supposed to join my room. So I will send you another link tonight. You need to find that link. Change settings. Continue to switch your tenant. Okay, I'm just going to stop sharing and leave and come back. That might.
Yeah.
Okay, I am back. Change some things. Options. Yeah. Okay, now everyone download it. Raj, did you try again?
Yeah, I tried again, but still.
Okay, can you try in a private browser? Incognito? Maybe it's taking some other Gmail. Anyone else who has access, who has problems with downloading? Okay, okay, let's start with the lab 0. Am I sharing that? No.
No, content.
No.
Okay, share. Okay, lab 0. So we have installed, yeah, I think I'm in page 4. Okay, so Mac users, can you do this? You must download and install the Power BI mobile app on your mobile device. Oh no. Okay, let's not worry about it. Okay, document structure. Users should use their own. Okay.
That's a good question.
Even before that, there is
Is
something
what
you must
what
download
we
and unzip that dashboard in day class content. What is that? I didn't get it.
Sorry, what was your question, Harsha? I'm not able to hear you properly. You are sounding very low.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah. So if you go to the one page before, page
One page before. Yeah.
one. Yeah, just above it. Yeah. You must download and unzip dashboard in a day class content. What is that?
Yeah, that's okay. I have given you the folder. There is a folder called data in that
Yes, yes.
in the in the link that I have given. So
Mhm.
that is what you need to download.
Okay, and save it on C drive with that DI.
Yes. So
Okay.
if I go, I think I'm going to share my whole entire desktop now so that I can show you screen. Okay. Now, if I go in here, and this is what I have shared with you. Shared. Where is that?
just one question?
Yeah.
Swati Pyaraka is trying to reach. Is it our group or?
Yes, yes.
Yes,
All
I
right.
tried to share the labs.
All right. Okay. Cool. Yeah. Yeah. Now I can see you shared the labs with me. Thank you.
Is it just me or is anyone else see the
Flashing.
green, green flash?
Yes.
Yes, everyone.
Green flash? What is that?
Yeah, your screen that you
On
shared,
Your
your
it's
screen
screen.
is
flashing green.
flashing. Green flash coming.
Oh, God.
If you
Okay,
can
I'll
unshare and
stop.
share again, yeah.
Yeah, stop and share.
What a day.
Technical issues.
What a day.
I was thinking there's some problem with my screen.
Okay, so let me share. Okay. A day of technical problems. Okay. Okay, can you see this?
Yes.
Perfect now.
Yes.
So this is the data folder, and that is that is what you need to download.
So all of it.
Yeah.
Can I download it
Yeah, so
entire on its entire?
I think so. I don't
You
know.
can download over the data. It would be
See
in the
this one.
zip file.
See,
All right.
from here,
Yeah.
if you download, it will be in the zip file.
Yeah.
I have a question. So that data, do we have to create a folder and then put everything there as per
When
the
you download, no, when you download this, there will be a zip file. So
Zip
unzip
file,
that.
yes.
Unzip that.
Okay.
Then you don't need to download individually.
Oh, okay.
Okay, now let's go through this. Any other question? Okay, that's the question that you had, and then we have resolved that. Okay. Everyone downloaded, or should we wait for some time?
The data, I'm just started to download it.
Okay, yeah. What about Raj? Have you downloaded?
Not
Still in the
yet.
process? Not
Still
yet.
in the
Okay.
process. So probably you can, I think, it's already
Continue.
recording, so you can
Okay.
continue.
Okay. So I'm going to
Sorry,
continue. Yeah.
I have a question. So
Yeah.
you said you need to unzip it. So how do I
Yes.
unzip it?
Right click and extract all. So for example,
Extract all.
look at my screen. I think
Yeah,
I
gotcha.
have got you. Okay. Okay, so let me try and explain what we are going to do about the data set. So the data set we have is is about sales and market share analysis. Okay, and this type of analysis is very common for chief marketing officer, and there is a problem with the Nigeria international sales data, and this is by design so that users can learn how to shape data. Okay, so by the end of this Power BI class, you will be able to build this report as like how I showed you. I think there is additional things that have been added. So this is lab 0. You can go through just the last page if you want in detail. Now I'm going to open lab 1, and then let's start doing the lab 1. So now the first part is we will be doing the accessing data. Okay. In this section, we will import Van Asdel's and its competitors' USA sales data. You will then import and merge sales data from other countries. So first, before we see how we are going to access data, first let us look at what kind of data is there. See, there is, if you unzip your uh, file that you have downloaded, you will have something called data folder. And if you open that data folder, you will have international sales. If you another folder called international sales, if you open that, and if you open one, maybe Australia, there is no New Zealand, so let's okay, so there are about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns, which has product ID, date, zip, units, revenue, and
Country.
country. Okay. Let's check and make sure you don't save it, because this is CSV. We do not want to save it. Similarly, open
And then it's a
Canada.
too large file.
Yeah. Just say okay, and then just have a look and then close it without saving.
Okay.
Important is close it without saving. Otherwise, you might face some errors. Okay, and the next one also is similar structure. So you don't have to worry about it. Now, what I want you to do is, we have seen Australia and Canada.
Yes.
I want you to have a look at Nigeria, because they specifically mentioned that Nigeria was intended. So here, if I look at the data itself, I don't see any change. Maybe the date format, I'm not sure. Let's see. This is Nigeria, 12/5/2021. Don't save. Any file you open, please do not save. Maybe it's the date format or 7, 13, 6. I can't see anything, but anyway, when we are loading, we might get some errors. Okay. So now,
Sorry
yeah,
for interrupting you, ma'am.
yeah.
Actually, it got disconnected for a while. Could you please tell me what we are supposed to do after downloading that Australia CSV file?
No, okay. So did you download everything?
Ma'am, I downloaded the Australia CSV file because it was too long to preview it just like that, so I had to download it.
You have to download everything for us to use. So from here, when you got the share, you download like this. When you download like this, then you can download as it will download as a zip file.
Yeah. Okay.
Then you extract that.
Right.
Because it has to be in your computer for us to use the um, use that in Power BI.
Right, ma'am. Right. Thank you.
Okay, so we have been looking at the data. So that is international sales. And if you open the US sales, you have two files, which is called BI dimensions and then sales. Okay. Let's go through those two as well. Okay, BI dimensions is a workbook rather than a CSV file. Do you know what the difference is between a CSV file and an Excel sheet?
CSV is only one tab, and then Excel you can have multiple tabs, and then you can do all formulas and everything you can save in the Excel.
Yes.
VBA macros and everything you can do in Excel.
Yeah.
CSV is just a text file.
Yeah, it's a text file which is comma separated, but it can be opened through Excel. So
Yes.
those are the two main differences. Any questions about that? So BI dimensions has 3 sheets, and sales file is see here it says Excel comma separated values means CSV file. CSV is nothing but don't convert. Okay, I'm just yeah, it's in the same format of the other files. But I think there is one thing missing because the previous file had
Country is missing.
country. Okay, because this is US, right? So okay. Okay, now so we have had a look at both international sales and US sales, right?
Yes.
So now we will start with the lab 1. So let's go to lab 1 and accessing data. So in order to do the accessing data, we need to open Power BI, right? So how do we open Power BI? Anyone? How do we open Word? How do we open Excel?
By clicking on it.
Clicking on what?
Double click on the
Click
logo.
on it.
Yes. So you can have, for example, you will have a Power BI desktop icon here.
Desktop icon, yes.
You can click on that, or you can start typing in the search Power BI.
Desktop.
That also you can do. Why am I opening? Mine is already open. And so now once it is opened, click on new and report. Okay. And because I have been using it, it's giving me some warnings. So once you open, are you all able to see this?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
We are at the moment, we are not doing it practically, right? We are
Yeah,
just...
you do it practically because
Okay.
I want you to do it so that everyone is on the same will be on the same page. And if a few of you are lagging behind, you can use the recording and then do it because you will have 1 week to catch up. So just yeah.
Ma'am, would you be able to share the recording as well?
Yes, I will be sharing it.
Hey, Indira, if because we're using the Mac and the browser.
Oh, Mac, yes.
So
Yeah.
I clicked on the
Yeah,
create.
you keep your what do you call? I'll go to Mac once. I think Mac 1. Yeah, this one. Once we get to the get data. Okay. So just hang in there.
Sure.
Okay. Now let's first look at the instructions. We'll follow these instructions. Okay. Now let's do get data. Now the data for this course is we have to first import this one. USA's in the USA sales data folder, sales folder. We have to import the sales data. So that means what we need to import is within your data folder, there is US sales, and this is what we need to import. Okay. So you can either copy this one, copy the link from here, or you can browse. I just copied, but we can first step is copy the sales.csv file from this link. So let's do that. Everyone is everyone here?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Who is not in here? That's good. Everyone is here. Okay. Now go to get data here. And because we know that it's a CSV file, what should we do? What should we use from these options?
Text CSV.
Yeah. So there is a text CSV. Can you all see this?
Yes.
So just click on text CSV, and then here I think you must have all downloaded into your downloads folder. So go there. Mine is different. So you go there and choose the data folder, choose the US sales folder, and then automatically you will see, because you have chosen text or CSV, you will see only sales. You won't see the BI dimensions file. Okay. So choose that and then click on open. Okay. Just be there. Don't do anything. For Mac users, can you click on new report? Can you all see?
Yep.
See, you will see something similar. So you click on this CSV. Okay. And then you can browse your OneDrive. Oh, it has to be in OneDrive, is it? Do you all have OneDrive? Maybe not.
I do have OneDrive, but there are other options as well.
Upload file. Yeah.
Upload file.
Yeah, you have upload file, and then browse from there, and then you can go into your wherever you have saved the file, and then choose sales. Okay.
Sure.
Okay. By the time it uploads, now I'm coming to the Power BI desktop users. So just click on transform data. Don't load the data yet. Just click on transform data. Now let's go back to the instructions. Sales of all other countries is in the international sales folder. Okay. Data set is from 7 countries. Okay. Options, regional settings under current file locale. Yeah.
So, sorry, till now we have just got the data and then we clicked on transform data, right?
Yeah, just transform data.
Mm.
I'm just checking what's happening here. One lake data hub. No, don't want to. Yeah, we have loaded this US sales data text. See, this is what we have done.
Yeah.
In page 6. Okay. Okay, we clicked on transform data, and then what are we going to do? I'll explain what is happening here. So now Power BI desktop has, see, you can all see my screen, right?
Yes.
Yes.
So this is Power BI desktop,
Yes.
and this is Power Query Editor. So you can perform these. There is something called ETL, extract, transform, load. ETL You can perform ETL operations using Power Query Editor from within Power BI Desktop. And that's what we are trying to use. So this is Power Query Editor. And you can do lots of transformations here. What all you can do is you can manually enter data, copy paste data, and create a new table. You can get CSV files or you can get a lot of data from different applications, which we didn't go through when we were importing the CSV file. We'll just import at this stage. You can also keep rows, keep top rows, keep bottom rows, keep range of rows, keep duplicates, keep errors, or you can do remove all these. Okay, you can also split columns. You can also use first row as headers. You can merge queries, you can append queries, which I think we are going to do one of these in this exercise as well. And there are some AI insights also. That is in high level. Now here what you see is this side, whatever you see, these are the tables. Okay, so these are the tables. And here there is something called applied steps. If you want to for example, do some kind of changes in the sense, whatever you do. For example, I'm just showing you, I'm just removing this column. Okay, I'm just for showing you, and you did that by mistake and you want to undo that. Okay, if you want to undo that, what you need to do is you can just go here in the applied steps and then you can remove, click on the X so that that undo happens, and that undo can be done anywhere in these steps. Of course, if you do source undo, you can't do source anyway because that is what you are getting the data. After getting the data, you can do, like, for example, if you don't want to promote headers, if your data did not have the first row as headers, then you can just take that, delete that step. So what happens is, if you delete that step, see, the header also becomes another row. And then once you this change type, sometimes the if you do something like that, sometimes the following steps may not work. So in order you have to be careful when you do that. And if you by mistake, if you have done that, you can use this step, use first row as headers, and then it is going to ask you whether to insert that step between these two steps. Okay, so that then I insert, and then it says promoted headers, and then your thing will work. But now I'm just removing this. Any questions?
All good.
No.
Any questions? No, don't feel shy. You can ask questions.
Uh, so we tried in the Mac.
Yeah.
Uploaded the file.
Yeah. And okay, so let's see. Upload. What is this connection?
You have to sign in.
I did sign in, right? I don't know. Maybe Power Query also requires sign in, probably. Okay. Okay, so now here,
Do we click on create?
you can just create, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have to just create. I don't think you can use the transform data. Just create it and then maybe we can edit. Okay. Yeah, there are definitely lot of features in lot more features in Power BI desktop compared to Power BI service. What we are using here is called Power BI service. Okay, so let's continue for the Power BI desktop until that loads. Okay, now what are we supposed to do? Let us go and okay. So these are the applied steps, and what notice that Power BI has set the zip column to the data type whole number to ensure that the leading zero is not dropped from zip code. So what we need to do is we need to format that as text. So how do we format zip as text? See, zip column, when you see 1 2 3, that means it is whole number. So if you go into the data type here, can you all see this is called whole number, right? How do we change that to text? So we just click on there and then
Into text.
click on text. Then you can see, you can say replace current. When you say replace current, this itself will change. Oh, this change type, yeah, we can say replace current. Okay, so that means here, if you look in here, this is the code that it has written for change type step here. Okay, but you don't need to write the code, you can just use the visual to do that. So zip is definitely text. Units can be number, so you can see here 1 2 3, and revenue is a decimal number, decimal, and date is again date. This icon represents date. Okay, is everyone clear?
Yes. Uh, Sorry, I have a question.
Yeah.
Why we made a zip with text? Because it's showing number.
See,
in
for
the code.
example, see this 07649.
Zip code.
Okay, zip code. It's a zip code and it is starting with 0. If we do this, for example, I'm again changing that to whole number. Where is my whole number? Yeah, whole number. I'm just replacing current. See that 0 missed?
Oh, yeah.
We don't want that. Okay, so that is the reason we need to change that to, you can change it here as well. Change that to text.
Okay.
Replace current. So then that 0 is back again. See these two also.
Right.
Otherwise it changes to number, and then when you have numbers with 0 in front, then it removes the 0. That is the reason we have changed. Okay.
So only in this kind of cases we have to do that change.
Yes.
Okay. Got it.
Wherever wherever you feel that there is the number needs to change to text, because I think it automatically changed it to numbers when we did the import.
Right.
So that's why we are changing that back.
Okay.
Okay, so now next step is, so to do this, yeah, we have done that data type, and let us look at the Mac as well. Okay, Mac file. Okay, let's go. Just open this one.
Yeah.
And then try and click on the zip.
Yeah.
And
If you click on it, it's just gets added onto the.
No. Don't click on the tick on the checkbox. Just click on the side.
Okay.
And I am trying to see. Say open data model. Okay, maybe in this we can change probably. This has changed a bit. Where is the? Oh, there should be an edit file. View. Reading view. Okay, let's first save it and then just name it something. Um, Dell or something, and save it. Yeah, first save it, please. Then you will see edit. That way you will first save it and then click on edit. Oh, edit is taking us to explore this data. Come. It should open Power Query. Don't know why it's not opening. Hold on.
Where is our file?
Reading view.
Get insights. She's
Explore this data. Open data model. God, it's all changed. We explore this data.
G, we can modify the data only on Power BI desktop, not in the Power BI services, I believe.
We used to we used to be able to do it. So that's what I'm just trying to see.
Okay.
Yeah, we used to be able to do it. Now it has changed. We can't create measures, but I think we were able to change the data types and stuff. But now I don't know what's happening. Okay, let's then concentrate only on Hobby Desktop. Okay, so now let's go into the next one. Transform, change column type, replace current. We have done this. Now what we want to do is we want to import another file called bi-dimensions.xlsx. XLSX is an Excel file, right?
Excel file, yes.
So first let's load this one and name it. So oh, it's already named. So that's okay. Because we are in Power Query editor, we don't need to go out of this one. So what we need to do is, in order to get an Excel file, what do we need to do? Just have a look at these and let me know what logically can we
New
do.
source.
New
Yeah,
source.
yeah, new source and
Excel.
what is
Excel.
Excel? Because we are going to import an Excel workbook, right? So I'm just going to import Excel workbook. So from Power Query editor, you need to choose new source, and from Power BI desktop, you need to choose get data. Okay, that's the difference. Okay, now choose BI dimensions. Can you all see BI dimensions in in your this
Yep.
thing? Okay, just open that and then again click on. Okay, now because remember we saw some tabs, right?
Mm-hmm.
When we opened the BI dimensions, we saw some tabs. Now we see product table, geo, manufacturer, and product. Don't choose anything until we see the instructions, because we saw only 3 tabs, but we are seeing 4 this thing. So product table is a predefined Excel table. You know how we can define tables, right? In Excel. So that is a predefined table in Excel. Okay, so now first what we want is, we want to choose geo, manufacturer, and product table. We don't need to use product. Okay. So let's go to Power Query Editor and then just choose product table, and you can preview. If you click on the checkbox, you can preview what is there in the data. Just top 200 rows it will show. And then you need geo, and this is the what do you call, this is the format of it. And if you go to manufacturer, that is what it is having. Okay. We will import only these 3 tables and not the product table, because I think product has a different table, predefined table called product table. So this will be a duplicate. So we are going to just import these 3 and then click on OK. Now we have product table, geo, and manufacturer. Okay.
Just one dumb question.
Yeah. Nothing, no question is dumb, so you can ask
Why
any
can't
question.
we import that into from Power BI Get Data?
You can import that in using Power BI Get Data as well. Okay. So if you go here and you go Get Data, Excel workbook,
Yes.
that one, it is going to again open Power Query Editor, the navigator, and then it is going to open Power Query Editor. Okay. Since I have already imported, I'm just going to close this. You can do either way, because our Power Query Editor was open and I wanted to show you a different way to do it. So that's why I use this one.
Right.
Okay. Yeah. Any questions? Is everyone understanding, or is anyone feeling vague? Feel free to ask questions. Feel free to discuss. Okay. So
Why are
yeah,
we doing all the steps? What is our objective?
our ultimate objective is to create this report. Okay. What does this
Okay.
report contain? Uh, this report contains data from 7 countries, and we are trying to analyze those 7 countries. Sales data, sales and revenue data. Okay.
Yeah.
And the data for that is in the file that I shared you in the data folder. And that is what we are trying to import, because the data is in this folder. We are trying to import into our Power BI so that we can create some model and then create that report. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
No worries. It's good that you ask questions so that others in the class also can learn. Okay. Any other questions? Okay, so now let's go and follow the instructions. Okay, so we have imported these 3 tables. Now in this scenario, the international subsidiaries have agreed to provide adding additional data. Now we are proceeding to Power BI Desktop, adding additional data. In this, oh, it's 9 o'clock. Do you want to try at home? In the next 1 week, we can continue from here.
Yeah.
Or should we? Yeah, because I think it's late for us. Or should we do till?
We have to explore how to use that in the Mac.
Yeah.
Try to do it, or see if we can. Is there a way to download an app for Mac? Or that's the only option to go
That's
through a
the
web
only
version?
option. Yeah, yeah. At least that is the option. That option is available now. Otherwise, yeah, otherwise there was no option. But yeah, I will try and find out why the Power BI service edit is not working, and let's see. And
Indira, also
who
the ones who don't have an official email ID, is there a way out? Because we are not able to
uh,
work through these steps.
yeah, whoever
Ji, for the Mac
has,
users, sorry, Ji.
yeah,
For the Mac users, actually, they can download Power BI Desktop through any VMware or virtual machine, so it does work.
yeah, if you have VM, yeah, I don't know much about
Yeah,
Mac, so yeah, if you have a VM, Windows VM, then you can use that in your Mac, right? Is that
yeah.
what you're trying to say, Bharat? Yeah.
Yes, Ji. Yeah,
Okay, we'll explore that option. Thanks, Bharat.
yeah. Thank you.
And who else is having that issue? Prashant also is having, right?
Yes.
Okay, so maybe if you can provide some resources, Bharat, to do that, maybe they can do that. And meanwhile, I have some action points as well. I have to make sure that you all are able to access chat from next
Yeah, sure, Ji. I can
session
share some
onwards.
YouTube links so that
Yeah,
it has all the steps. So yeah, it
yeah.
will help.
If you can send me,
Yeah, sure, Ji. I'll
um,
send you. Yeah, sure, I'll
then I
send.
can I can email. I think Selvin, you won't be able. You are not able to access chat, right?
No, not
Prashant,
able
you are
to.
also not able to access chat. Most of you are not able to access chat. So yeah, I will send. I will be sending you email. So Bharat, if you can send me the links, then I'll forward those to in general. I'll forward to Mac for Mac users
Yeah, sure.
instructions.
Yeah, sure, Ji.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much, Bharat.
Thanks, Ji.
Okay. So if you get time to do the lab one, try and do it before the next session, which will be on Monday, 13th of May. Otherwise, we will be doing this the continuing the session from this one, from after BI dimensions, after importing the BI dimensions part.
Sounds great.
Okay, yeah. Okay, then have a good night to
Thanks,
most of
Indira.
you.
Thanks.
Yeah,
Thank you,
Thank
that's
Indira.
you.
okay.
Thank
Thanks,
you
Indira.
very
Good
much.
night.
Thank you.
Thank
Thanks.
you. Bye.
No
Thank
worries.
you.
Thanks so much,
Thank
Bye.
you, Indira.
Indira.
Bye.
Thank you so much.
No worries.
Indira, can I ask a question?
Yeah, sure, sure. Yeah. Whoever wants to ask a question, you can stay back. Yeah.
No, this would be a dumb question, but
No, don't worry. No, nothing is dumb.
this looks similar to ClickSense to me. Have you heard
Yes,
about
yes.
Click?
Yes, yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. ClickSense, Tableau, and Power BI are similar data visualization tools.
Okay, because వర్క్ లో అది చాలా యూజ్ చేస్తుంటాను నేను. So it
Okay,
looks
okay.
similar to me.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, so they're similar, right? They're same tools to
Mm,
extract data.
yes.
And what do you know? What is the difference, or are they the same way that we can use, or?
Some most of the features are different. In some you can do in
Mhm.
ClickSense, some you cannot do in ClickSense, but there are some additional ways to do it and things like that. But both three of the data visualization tools are there are a lot of data visualization tools, but these three are um, most popularly used:
Mhm.
Power BI, Tableau, and ClickSense. Yeah.
Okay. So the other question I have is, in order to help us out in this tutorial, you already created those files and you're guiding us through how to use it.
Yeah.
So if we are using, if suppose in future, if you're going to use it live, so
Mm.
we create the files accordingly and then use it, or how does it work?
Okay, in live, usually what happens if you are, for example, if in your organization you are working somewhere, right? So in your organization you will be using some applications, right? So for example, I think you are working in the health sector, right? So you will be using some health related applications, like you won't be using PMS, but some other like customer service applications or some applications, right? So those applications will be having some data sources behind it. So those applications can be based on either SQL Server or Access or even Oracle or whatever the data source backend will be there.
Yeah.
So you will be able to connect Power BI to that backend and then get data from there. And then you
Okay.
can try and analyze. For example, how many, if you are, I'm just taking an example, customer service. If you are in a customer service team will be using some kind of a interface to log in the customer request, right? So, for example, some CRM. Then you will be collecting the data you will be getting the data from that CRM, and then you can monitor the calls, how many number of calls were there, what are the what do you call what were the what was the if you're answering calls, what do you call that?
So how
At the
many
time, no,
calls did someone
how
take
many
or
calls,
how long?
how much duration did the call take, all those
Yes.
kind of metrics you can monitor. You can
Okay.
create a report for that, and then every time you refresh, weekly or otherwise or monthly, you can refresh it and then see who is performing well, who is taking more calls and those kind of stuff. So you can do that. I'm just taking an example.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
that
yeah.
kind of stuff. So the real challenge will be to connect your desktop to your source and then get the data into Power BI desktop and then create a model and then you can create the report. So that is the process.
Okay.
Here we are just using Excel files because it's easy for practicing. So that is the reason we have created the CSV files and Excel files. We are using those. Yeah.
Thank you.
Any other questions? Okay, Prashant, thank you.
Hi, Indu.
Hi.
What is that predefined table, which is the fourth sheet, which we don't see in the Excel?
Okay, okay. I'll just share again and then let's explore what is there. Okay.
Yeah.
Mm. Okay, if I go here, BI dimensions, right? So I'm going to go into BI dimensions
Yeah.
and open that. Oh, by the way, I think I forgot to mention save the file. So let's close and apply and save the files. Everyone who is on the call, just click on close and apply in the Power Query editor. This will load the tables and then you can save the Power BI desktop. So while that is loading, I'm just going to see if I go into product, see the difference between this. This is just a, if you go here, this is just a normal control function. No, this is just a normal data entry like columns and rows
Yeah.
in the Excel. But if you go into product, see the way this is there, the drop downs and stuff. So for example, if I enter some data here, I'm just entering 2412. So I'm just going to enter 2413. Oh, I need to be able to enable editing. And if I go into here, and if I say to save, okay, 2413, if I say, then notice the difference. It just changes. So that means this has become part of this table because this whole rows, this everything has been defined as table and in Excel. And how we do that is you select the data that you want. I'm just going to undo this one. You just select the data that I'm just going to show you in a duplicate. Make a copy. Okay, I made a geo copy. Okay. And this one, since it is not, oh, this has too much data here. Anyways, control. Okay, this, let's say I'm just going to show you only on little bit. See, this is just data entry, right? I want to convert this as a table. Then what I do is I select that, and then you can go insert table, or there is a shortcut for this one. You can say Control T. So that is a shortcut for creating table. And it is going to ask where is the data for your table. So this is my data from I4 to N26 and and my table has headers because I copied headers. And if you do that, see, this changes. And now when you import this one, you can give a name. This is at the moment saved as table 2. You can say geo table. And then when you import this one now, you can see geo table, geo2, geo, manufacturer, product, and product table. So that is how you can create a table within Excel.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
And yeah, these tables can be referenced in a lot of things even within Excel. So that's the reason there are some advantages of creating these tables. So for example, if you want to add extra line, it will automatically convert into that table. So you can add something and then that it will be part of the table. Whereas when you add here, it won't convert into it. The design will be there, but it won't convert into the table. So for example, if I go here, something I'm adding, see, it is not, it's not a, because it's not a table. Uh, for example, if you are creating pivot tables, it's better to reference them with the table so that anything that you add extra will be part of the table when you refresh. Otherwise, you have to change the source all every time you change the you add more rows.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's that's one of the advantages. I'm not going to save it. Okay. Okay. Did you all save it? And then I'm just going to save this. Should I save it? I saved it. Yeah.
Sorry, I got a message saying object reference not set to an instance of an object.
Can you share your screen? I'll stop sharing.
Okay.
Are you able to share or not?
I'm just trying to pick what I because
Okay,
it's
you are able to share, right? You have
yeah,
access to share. Okay, yeah.
But it's not showing the option of what the message I'm seeing, so that's why I'm just.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, you might have to share your screen rather than window because
Can you see it now?
something went wrong. Okay. Yeah, what were you doing? If you can share your entire screen, then I will be able to maybe help you.
This is the Power BI desktop screen, right? I applied and closed the Power Query one. After that, I got that message.
Okay, so can you show your Power BI desktop how you are? I think I saw that. Check reference not set to an instance of.
Can you see it now or no?
I can't see your Power BI desktop.
Okay, I'll stop sharing and then share again. Can you see it?
Yeah. And okay. Yeah, I think just ignore that for now.
Okay.
But save it. Can you save it? File save?
Okay. Let me see. No, it's not letting me save.
Do
But
you have? Do you still have that window open? Just say cancel or okay. The other
the other
window.
one? Okay. No, still it's not letting me save.
Can you go to Power Query? So go to transform data at the top. This side. In the middle at the top. Yeah, that one. And click on the drop down. And then yeah, there. Yeah, transform data, and then even that also is not allowed.
No, it's gone. It's completely gone, the Power BI thing. I need to reopen it and do it then. Is that right, Indu, or am I missing something?
No.
It's completely
We can
closed
see.
when
I can see your screen though. Or is it stuck?
I think it's stuck.
Okay, maybe I'll send you my Power BI desktop if it does not open properly. Just have a look. Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Any other questions?
I just stayed this longer just to tell you that what if you create a WhatsApp group where we can ask questions any time of the day and then you can answer whenever
Sure.
you're free?
Yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add you to a learning room where it will be a Teams, it's sort of a Teams group where you can ask questions, and you will have access to other material as well.
Oh, sweet.
So I think instead of WhatsApp group, it's better to, because there are wider
Perfect. Yeah,
that's a
just
wider group, so you can ask questions and anyone can respond as well.
awesome.
Not just me, because if I'm busy, somebody can respond, right? So that's what I'll
Perfect.
do. Yeah,
Perfect.
I'll be sending an email to everyone very shortly. Yeah, maybe tomorrow, not today, but yeah.
Sweet. Perfect. Thank you for
Okay.
today.
No worries. Yeah. Okay. Any other questions?
Thank you, Indu. Thank you so
No
much.
worries. Hopefully all of you will learn.
Yeah. Thanks. All good. Good night.
Thank
Good
you.
night.
Good night.
Thank you, Apurva. Okay. Bye. Okay. See you.
Thank you.
No worries.
Thank you. Bye.
No worries, Madhuri.